If you have one bank account where all your money lives, your paycheck comes in, your bills go out, you spend whatever is left, you are playing the money game on the hardest possible setting. And the worst part is, nobody told you there was an easier way. Wealthy people do not manage money like this. They never have. They use a 3-account system that runs almost automatically, and once it is set up, it is almost impossible to stay broke. My name is the Hidden Rich Guy, and today I am going to show you exactly how it works. Here is what most people do. One checking account. Everything goes in, everything goes out. Rent, groceries, Netflix, a night out, an impulse buy. It all competes for the same pool of money, and at the end of the month you look at your balance and you think, where did it all go? This is not a discipline problem, this is a system problem. When all your money sits in one place, your brain sees it as available. Every dollar feels spendable. You are not making a conscious decision to spend. Your account is making it for you. The average American saves less than 5% of their income, not because they do not earn enough, because their system is broken. One account is a broken system. Let me show you the difference a system makes. Two people, both earn $60,000 a year. That is $5,000 a month take home after tax. Person 1 has one account. Everything goes in. At the end of 12 months they have saved $2,000. Less than 1 month of expenses. One emergency away from debt. Person 2 uses the 3-account system. Same $5,000 a month. Same income. Same city. But by the end of 12 months they have $8,000 in an emergency fund. They have invested $6,000 and they still live their normal life. Same income. One person saved $2,000, the other saved and invested $14,000. The only difference is where the money went on day one. Over 10 years, assuming a 7% return on that $6,000 a year going into investments, person 2 ends up with over $83,000 in invested wealth. Person 1 has almost nothing. Same salary, $83,000 apart, because of a system. Here is the system. 3 accounts, 3 jobs, that is it. Account 1 is your bills account. This is where your paycheck lands. From here you pay every fixed expense, rent, utilities, car payment, subscriptions, insurance, everything predictable and non-negotiable. You calculate your fixed monthly expenses, you keep just enough in here to cover them, and that is all this account does. Account 2 is your investments account. The moment your paycheck hits, before you touch anything, you automatically transfer a set amount here, 10% minimum. 15 is better, 20 is wealthy. This account does not get touched. It connects to your index fund, your Roth IRA, your brokerage, wherever your money grows. You do not see it, you do not spend it, it just builds. Account 3 is your freedom account. This is your lifestyle money. Groceries, dining out, entertainment, clothes, everything fun. Once this account is empty, you stop spending for the month. No guilt, no math, no tracking. The account tells you when you are done. This is the account that gives you permission to enjoy your money without destroying your future. The most important part of this system is the order. Bills first, investments second, freedom third. Most people do it backwards. They spend first and try to save what is left. There is never anything left. Pay your future self before you pay for anything else. Set up automatic transfers on payday. The whole system runs without you. You cannot spend money that is already moved. This is not a complicated system. It is 3 accounts and 3 rules. But it is the difference between ending the year with almost nothing and ending the year with real money that is actually working for you. The wealthy are not smarter, they are not luckier. They just built a system where the right thing happens automatically and the wrong thing is almost impossible. You can set this up this weekend. 1 hour, 3 accounts, and your money will never feel out of control again. My name is the Hidden Rich Guy. I will see you in the next one.